Hello student, I am your computer teacher Sonjit sir. Hope you all are fine. Today is my first class. That's why I want to tell all of you that no need to copy any question discussed here because I will provide all the important question and answer about the related topic as a PDF file. So you can easily download the PDF file from the Fosam app or just click on the link below the description on the YouTube. But all of you need to write all question and answer on your computer copy from the PDF file so that no one has to look for any question and answer anywhere. So let's start. Here this is the first chapter based on your computer system, hardware and software. In this chapter we have to focus on the different parts, that is number 1 computer system, number 2 IPO cycle, number 3 input device, number 4 hardware and number 5 software. Now I am going to discuss about the first 4 topic shown on the screen with all of you. So move on to the first topic, computer system. We all need to know about the computer system. The computer has many parts. All parts of a computer work together to do a certain task. They are collectively called computer system. Now, all of you see a chart which is contain different parts of a computer system. First of all, it is divided into two main parts, hardware and software. Again, hardware divided into three parts, which are input device, storage device and output device. On the other hand, software is divided into two parts, which are system software and application software. Now I am going to give example of different parts one by one so that all of you can understand the computer system clearly. Example of input device are keyboard, mouse and joystick. The input device mainly used for giving instruction to the computer. Now example of a storage device, hard disk, pen drive, CD, DVD, memory card. The storage device mainly used for storing data on a computer. The next example of output device, monitor, printer and speaker. The output device is mainly used for showing the result after processing. Now the next part is IPO cycle. IPO stands for input process output. I stands for input, means giving instruction to a computer for a particular task, and P stands for process, means when the computer gets the instruction, computer will process the data through the CPU. Next O stands for output, provided the instruction and processing the data, output is the result we get. This is called IPO cycle. For an example, you want to play any song on a computer, you will use an input device like keyboard or mouse to select our song. Then the computer will process the instruction and further commands the speaker to play the song. Finally, you will hear the song through the speaker. Let's go to the next part. Hardware. Hardware. Computer hardware is a part of a computer that a person can see and touch. For example, keyboard, mouse, printer, monitor and CPU all are hardware device. Some other example of hardware are motherboard, hard disk, RAM, etc. At the time of working on a computer, these hardware parts cannot be seen from outside as they are present in the CPU box. Here are some other hardware device. It is a type of an input device that is used to communicating with people through a computer connected to the internet connection. It is used to record a voice and different types of sound in the computer. The next hardware device is web camera. It is a video camera, also called webcam. It is connected to a computer and display the picture or videos on the monitor screen. It can also be used to make a video call to people at distant place. Next hardware device is plotter. Plotter is a type of a printer that is used to print on very large size paper. It functions slower than a normal printer and it mostly used in flexi print for banners. The last hardware device is light pen. It comes with a special pad. It is connected to a computer and display whatever you write on a pad on the monitor screen. Now move on to next page. Here a few questions with answer are given for the better understanding for the topic discussed in this video. Question number 1. What is a computer system? Question number 2. What does IPO stands for? Next question is, what is a IPO cycle? Next, define hardware, and here all the hardware device uses. So no more today. I am ending the discussion here. We will continue the chapter in the next class, but every student need to read the chapter carefully for better understand the topic. And as I told that I would provide all the question and answer as a PDF. So goodbye, take care, thank you.